I'm gonna unbox this iPhone X 256GB. I got it from New York and I'm pretty excited to reveal its feature with you. The box is looking very swanky. Let's open it and see what inside. Okay, before open, let's see what includes in this box. iPhone X, of course. AirPods with lightning contactor, lightning to headphone jack adapter, lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, sports CDMA, blah blah, 4G as well, Wi-Fi technologies, Bluetooth.
My name is Harshdeep Sharma, technology lover. Let's start.
To open this box, just pick it up and pull this up. Oh, it's pretty simple. Here you go. Okay, once you are in, you'll see this, and we have here few stickers and a menu card, like guidebook. They are introducing few features. Hello Apple. And oh, iPhone. Wow, it's pretty cool, nah? Okay, there you go. We have iPhone X. It has two cameras, one camera, front camera. Oh, nice, space gray color. And we have this power adapter, ear sets. Okay, it has a cable like this, so you can plug it in your phone and connect your earphone. I have to open it. I'll open it later. Okay, there you go. One power cable. I think turn it on, and voila! I got this wireless charger. It is pretty nice, you know. Just keep it on your wireless charger. Get started. Life easy.